friends, today let's create an amazing name intro with this easy Kinemaster text editing.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a
So watch the 3 steps carefully and create an amazing name intro with this easy Kinemaster text editing. So let's start. So first, create a Kinemaster project. Let me name this as step 1. The aspect ratio is 16:9 for YouTube. Next, select a black background. Next, go to layer, tap on text and add your text. I will change the font to, let me make it Montserrat bold, place it at the center. Next, tap this icon on left and tap capture and save. This image gets saved in your gallery in the Kinemaster capture folder. Next, we will invert the colors. Change the background to white and the text to black. Extend both the layers to 7 seconds. Next, place your playhead at 2 seconds. Go to Layer, Media and take an image of any color. Rotate it slightly and then use the crop action and make it a bit narrow in size. Pull the corner and make it a long narrow strip as I have shown. Place it at the corner, left corner. Extend till the end on timeline. Next, at around 3.5 seconds, tap the key animation, create a keyframe. Drag the layer towards the right side where the text ends. Go to the first keyframe and drag the layer extreme left outside the screen. We have already created the position at 3.5. Next, create a keyframe at 4.5 seconds. Drag the layer left side where the text starts. Next, create a keyframe at around 6 seconds and drag the layer right side extreme right outside the screen. Let's play the animation. See, this part is not correct, so I will go to the first frame and make the gray image size a bit bigger. Yes, it is okay now. Change the color to green. Next, place the playhead at 5.5 seconds and import an image of any other color. Make it a bigger in size. Tilt it so that it is same as that of the green layer. Make it very big so that the white part is not visible. It covers the entire screen. Next, place the playhead at end of video and trim the extra part of the layer, the right side, and create a keyframe here at the end. Next, take the playhead at the initial position, drag it leftwards outside the screen. Now play the animation. Perfect. Change the color to green. Now let's play the video. Perfect. So the toughest part of the editing is over. Export the video. Let's proceed to the two easy steps. Step 2. Create a new Kinemaster project. Let me name it Step 2. Then import the image you had captured in Step 1, the image with black background. Place your playhead at the start. Import the video exported in Step 1 as new layer. Drag the first layer to the length of the video or a little more than that. The video is 7 seconds long. Let me make the top layer 8 seconds long. Now tap on the video and make it full screen from split screen option. Go to chroma key and enable chroma key with key color green. Let me play the animation. Perfect. Export the video. So our step 2 is over. Let's proceed to step 3. Step 3. Again, create a new Kinemaster project and import your main video, any video of yours. Then go to Layer, Media and import video exported in step 2. Trim extra right side of main video. Then select step 2 video. Go to split screen option and make it full screen. Then finally go to blending and then change it to screen. So our video is almost ready. You can go to settings and add audio and video fade in and fade out effect. Then tap audio here and add your background music. The video is ready. Export video.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and
Now, to watch another quick Kinemaster text intro, tap video on left, or to watch other Kinemaster effects, watch playlist on right. So see you there in my next video. Thanks for watching.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string.